environment. This
Yes. Could you hear the voice?
Yes.
Okay, continue watching this.
year, we decided to start composting using this bin. We can put a lot of our garbage in here. We put in food waste, like banana peels and eggshells, as well as leaves from our yard. This helps to reduce our trash, which is good, but it also does something else awesome. Compost makes humus, which is an important part of good soil. Click the hot spots above, and I'll show you how.
Now see, what they do is they take our garbage and every year they keep it aside in the garden, and like if the animal dies or if there are waste material, the dried leaves, a person who's taking care of his plants usually take off the dried leaves. So what they do is they put into this garbage here, and they keep this garbage specially for good soil. Later on, after 1 year, everything is you know how it happens, it gets more bad, but this is very good for soil, the dead animal, the dead plants, and the eggshells I told you, which are good at nutrients, and then they mix with the normal soil. So when they mix with the normal soil, it becomes humus. What is that called? It is called as humus. Yes, Miral, did you understand? I'm talking about soil here. So good soil is formed when they have fossils. That is when they have dead remains of plants and animals. That is called as humus. Humus is nothing but soil with organic matter, decayed remains of plants and animals.
In the top, you place organic material, things like vegetable peels and grass clippings. These items are full of nutrients. Over time, these will break down into smaller and smaller pieces.
Can you believe that, girls? Even banana peels, even the apple peels, they don't throw it in the garbage separately. They keep a separate garbage where they put this and they wait like 5 to 6 months. And when everything gets rotten, mixed with they put some soil also inside, there's some mud, so that gets mixed with it. With the dead animal, with dead plants, with the peels, with the eggshells. Like when you break your egg and you're making that egg, they don't throw it in the normal dustbin. They put that into a smaller, different garbage where the humus is prepared. Humus is very good for soil. Do you understand this?
Yes.
To get the compost bin working, you have to add a few things, like soil. Soil contains bacteria that break down organic matter. I was really shocked when Mom put worms into our compost bin. I thought she was playing a trick on us, but the worms have a job to do. They break down the organic material into smaller and smaller pieces. Who knew that worms help to make soil?
See, subhanallah, girls, these worms, when they were making this compost box, these worms were actually decomposing. They were breaking down these peels and these different things into smaller particles. So imagine how these worms are helping them out.
After more time, all the materials break down. Guess what you will find when you open the
Humus.
door at the bottom of the compost bin? Humus. The humus is dark brown and full of many rich nutrients. It's perfect for mixing with the soil in our garden.
And when they mix this humus with the soil in the garden, it will give you more good fruits and more good soil to grow the plant faster. Okay? Did you understand how the soil actually is prepared? How the soil is
Yes.
prepared? I think this picture will give you a very great, it will give you a great idea, girls, to help. If any of you is if any one of you are really interested in gardening, you can go for it.
Welcome to the lesson, Soil Formation, where you'll learn about the physical and chemical characteristics of soil. You'll also find out about soil formation and the factors that affect it. The vocabulary words for this lesson are soil, humus, soil profile, and soil horizon.
So we have soil, we have humus, we have soil profile, and we have soil horizon.